Hello my dears, welcome back to the math class. Today also we are continuing the word problems based on the sum of 4-digit numbers. Let's go to today's session. Look students, a cloth exhibition is conducting here. The prices of some clothes are given below. Salwar kameez 1340 rupees, 1280 rupees and 1400 rupees. Churidar 1525 rupees, 1600 rupees, 1575 rupees. Sari 1775 rupees, 1975 rupees and 1860 rupees. Sulekha had 3500 rupees, Anju had 3200 rupees and Lissy had 3350 rupees. Each spent the entire amount to buy 2 dresses. What could these be? Sulekha spent 3500 rupees. Which of the 2 dresses Sulekha bought with this 3500 rupees? Students, suppose Sulekha bought a churidar costing 1525 rupees. Which may be the other dress she bought? Students, once more, Sulekha had total how much rupees? Yes, 3500 rupees. So, to find out the cost of other dress, subtract 1525 from 3500. So, 3500 minus 1525. Let's subtract. Okay. We can't subtract 5 from 0. So, we have to borrow 1 from this 5 and carry this with 0 in the tens place. So, this 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. From this 10, borrow 1 and carry this with 0 in the ones place. So, this 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Students, let's subtract 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Students, look here. Can we subtract 5 from 4? No. Again, we have to borrow 1 from this 3 and carry this with the 4. So, this 4 becomes 14 and 3 becomes 2. Okay. Then 14 minus 5. 9. 2 minus 1. 1. Which amount do you get? 1975. Which dress can she buy with 1975 rupees? Yes, sari. So, with this 3500 rupees, Sulekha bought a churidar for 1525 rupees and a sari for 1975 rupees. Students, let's check if the amount 3500 rupees is enough to buy these 2 dresses. Okay, let's add together. 1525 plus 1975. 5 plus 5, 10. For 10, 0 here. 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 7 plus 2, 9. Plus 1, 10. For 10, 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 15. For 15, 5 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3500. Sulekha can buy these 2 dresses with the 3500 rupees. Who is next? Anju. Anju spent 3200 rupees. Which of the 2 dresses Anju bought for these 3200 rupees? Students, suppose Anju bought a salwar kameez for 1340 rupees. Which may be the other dress she bought? Students listen. Anju had total 3,200 rupees. So, to find out the cost of other dress, we have to subtract 1,340 from 3,200. 3,200 minus 1,340. 0 minus 0? 0. Look children, here we can't subtract 4 from 0. So, borrow 1 from 2 and carry this with 0 in the tens place. So, 0 becomes 10 and 2 becomes 1. Look children, again we can't subtract 3 from 1. So, what can we do? Yes, again we have to borrow 1 from 3 and carry this with the 1. So, 1 becomes 11 and 3 becomes 2. Then let's subtract 10 minus 4, 6. 11 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 1,860. Which dress can she buy with 1,860 rupees? Yes, sari. So, we can say that Anju bought a salwar kameez for 1,340 rupees and bought a sari for 1,860 rupees. Students, let's check is the amount 3,200 rupees is enough to buy these two dresses? Okay, let's add together. 1,340 plus 1,860. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. For 10, 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1, 12. For 12, 2 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3,200. So, we can say that Anju bought these two dresses with the 3,200 rupees. Next, Lizzie. Lizzie spent 3,350 rupees. Which are the two dresses Lizzie bought for these 3,350 rupees? Students, suppose Lizzie bought a churidar for 1,575 rupees. Which may be the other dress she bought? Listen, Lizzie had total 3,350 rupees. So, to find out the cost of other dress, subtract 1,575 from 3,350. 3,350 minus 1,575. Here, we can't subtract 5 from 0. So, borrow 1 from this 5 and carry with this 0 in the ones place. So, 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. Here, we can't subtract 7 from 4. So, borrow 1 from 3 and carry with this 4. So, 4 becomes 14 and 3 becomes 2. Here again, we can't subtract 5 from 2. So, again we have to borrow 1 from 3 and carry with this 2. So, 2 becomes 12 and 3 becomes 2. Now let's subtract. 3,350 minus 1,575. 10 minus 5, 5. 14 minus 7, 7. 12 minus 5, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. 1,775. Which dress can she buy with 1,775 rupees? Yes, sari. So, we can say that Lizzie bought a churidar for 1,575 rupees and a sari for 1,775 rupees. Students, let's check if the amount 3,350 rupees is enough to buy these two dresses. Okay, let's add together. 1,575 plus 1,775. 5 plus 5, 10. For 10, 0 here, 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. For 15, 5 here, 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 1, 13. For 13, 3 here, 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3,350 50. So, Lizzie bought these two dresses with 3,350 rupees. What is the minimum amount needed to buy one dress of each kind? How can we find this? At first, find out the least prices of salwar kameez, churidar and sari. What is the least price of salwar kameez? Yes, 1,280 rupees. What is the least price of churidar? Yes, 1,525 rupees. What is the least price of sari? Yes, 1,775 rupees. Add together 1,280 plus 1,525 plus 1,775. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. For 10, 0 here, 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 7, 17. Plus 1, 18. For 18, 8 here, 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. For 15, 5 here, 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. 4,580. So, the minimum amount needed to buy one dress of each kind, 4,580 rupees. There is an exercise for you to do. Do this in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.